Python programming, we learn about for loops. But do you know you can also use else along with for loop? Today's video is all about this topic. Let's go to the computer screen and learn how we can use else along with for loop. So now let's get started.
So in this class I will be telling you what are else in loop in Python. As you have learned before, the else clause is used to along if the if statement. Okay, if Python allows the else keyword to be used with the for and while loop too, the else block appears after the body of the loop. The statement is the else block will be executed after all the iterations are completed. The program exits the loop only after the else block is executed. And here I will be giving you one example. Like I will be writing like I/o while and now. Like I will be running it. So now I will be running this and the here will be changed. It will be coming like here I will be writing like any number. Like here I will be writing like 2. So it will be giving the 0, 1 and okay. Here you will be seeing 0, 1 is coming like that. Here you will be giving like 5. So it will be giving the 4. Okay. 0, 1, 3. Only 3, 4. Okay. Here I will be running it like that. And here you will see it will be giving the 4. But I will be giving like 7. And now like I will be running it. So now here you will see the output will be coming. It is a while loop. Okay, what I will be showing you, it is a while loop. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, no iteration number 1 is in the for loop, iteration number 2 in the for loop, iteration number 3 in for loop, iteration number 4 in for loop, iteration number 5 in for loop, else block in loop, out of loop. Here you will see it. And here you will be write like anything like in, out. It is small video because it is a very small video. Okay, and now like I will be running, so it will coming like the in, out of loop, and here you will be shade, but here I will write like out. And else block in loop, and now like I will be like range should be 5. Like I will be range should be 5, but my range should be 10. And now I will be run like here I will be run. So the range will be 10, and there will be share is coming like the iteration number 1 is for loop, iteration number 2 in for loop, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in for loop. It is coming like that. But my range should be 5, so that's why I 5. So I will be giving like that. Okay, so it is very easy to know. Print iteration number in for loop format x plus 1. Okay, so I hope you will be understand this video, and I will be in this class I will tell you what the else in loop in Python. And I hope you enjoy this class and enjoy. Like that video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.